Hello everyone, I am Sugat Pawar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I am going to explain the design of 8-bit magnitude comparator using IC74LS85 by taking one example. In previous video, we have taken the example as A equals to 128 and B is 112. Now we'll take another example, that is A is 135 and B is 136. First of all, write down 135 and 136 in binary number using 8 bit. So 8 bits are represented for A and B like that. That is A0 to A7 are the 8 bits for A and B0 to B7 are for B. First IC will compare this B0 to B3 numbers bit, and second IC will compare the upper 4 bits, that is A4 to A7 with B4 to B7. So write down the weight for A and B. For B0 it is 1, that is 2 raised to 0. B1 it is 2, 2 raised to 1. B2 4, that is 2 raised to 2. B3 it is 2 raised to 3, it is 8. B4 2 raised to 4, it is 16. B5 2 raised to 5, 32. B6 2 raised to 6, 64, and B7 2 raised to 7, 128. So like that for A0 to A7, that is 1 to 28. So take the combination of bits such that the addition should be 135 as well as 136. So here 135 is greater than 128, so make it 1. And if you subtract 128 from 135, then you'll get 7. So by combining 4 plus 2 plus 1, you'll get 7. So 8-bit number for A, that is 135, is 1. 4 times 0, 111. Same for B, 136 is greater than 128, so make it 1. Then subtract 128 from 136, you'll get 8. So 8 is already mentioned the weight, that is 2 raised to 3, so make it 1, and rest of the bits should be 0. So if you multiply 128 with 1, then add 64 multiplied by 0 plus 32 multiplied by 0 plus 16 multiplied by 0 plus 8 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 0. This addition is 136. So like that we have to arrange or convert the 136 into binary number. So now we have shown the lower 4 bits of A as well as upper 4 bit of A, and same for B, lower and upper 4 bits. So lower 4 bit of A are 0, 111, and B are 1, 000, 0, 111, and 1, 000. Upper 4 bits for A is 1, 000, and B is also 1, 000. Upper bit for both the A and B are same. Now this this first IC will compare lower 4 bits, that is it will compare MSB first, that is A3 with B3. Here A3 is 0, B3 is 1, so A3 is less than B3. If A3 is less than B3, then this IC will not check the rest of the 3 bits, that is A2 with B2, A1 with B1, A0 with B0. It will directly show the result A is less than B by checking the function table. See here, A3 is less than B3. It will not compare rest of the bits. It will not check cascading inputs. Whatever the value of cascading input, it will directly show the result LHL, that is A less than B is high, A greater than B, A equals to B are low. A less than B output is 1, A equals to B, A greater than B is 0. So second IC will compare the upper 4 bits, that is A7 with B7. It will compare MSB bit first. MSB bit of both A and B are same, so this IC will compare A6 with B6. Again, A6 is exactly equals to B6. It will check next bit, that is A5 with B5, both are same. Then it will check A4 with B4. Means if you see, 4 bits of A are exactly equals to 4 bits of B, so we have to go for this condition, that is A equals to B, A less than B, A equals to B, A3 equals to B3, A2 equals to B2, A1 equals to B1, and A0 equals to B0. So for that, this IC will check the cascading input. Cascading inputs are A less than B is high and other two are low. A less than B is high, other two are low. So you have to check this condition. This IC will check this condition, low H low. So output for this condition is LHL. So this IC will give A is less than B high, A equals to B, and A greater than B is low. A less than B is high, A equals to B, and A greater than B is 0. So we have taken A as a 135, B as a 136. Here we can directly say that A is less than B, but by using this function table, we can prove A is less than B. Thank you.